Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Articuno versus Moltres in a surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Moltres and Articuno surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. That way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. This way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, I like to open this up and turn it this way so I can open it for a nice fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with Articuno. So I'm going to start right here at the beak, and I'm going to begin by just drawing a line that's just going to come up to here. And then I'm going to go down like this. Then we'll draw the bottom beak. We'll go down and just bring it up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to come up at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this all the way back here. You can see it's much farther than this one. And then I'll bring this down. Then let's make another one. We'll come straight up this time. We'll make this one go nice and tall towards the top of our paper. And then we'll come down here. Now, starting here, let's make the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve down and then up. Then we'll make another line that's just going to go down and then up here. Then we'll make a line that's just going to come down and up, and I'm going to color in just a little bit of this to kind of make the reflection of the pupil. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and over to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up here for the wing. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then we'll just curve it to here. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line. And I'll bring this line down here. Now, over here, let's draw Moltres. So we'll start with the beak again. This one's going to have a much longer beak. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to bring a long line over to here. And then a line that comes down. Then I'll make another long line under here and bring this up. Now for the eye, I'm going to draw a line like this. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. A line over, and then up here. I'm going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes up here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then we'll leave a circle in here and just kind of color around that. Next, I'm going to curve this line up. I'm going to make a couple little wavy lines, and then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then right here, I'm going to make some kind of wavy pointed lines so it looks like fire on her head. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over here and then down. Now, once we have all this drawn, it's time to open it up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Pokemon. So let's start off with Articuno. So I'm going to begin by drawing this line down and this line down. And then I'm going to make this line come up and this line come up. Then I'm going to make this line curve over to here and connect. And then I'll make this line come over to here and connect. I'm going to draw a line that comes right down to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes down here and a little line that comes up here. Now let's work on Moltres. I'm going to make this line come down and this line come down. Same thing here. I'm going to make this line come up and this line come up. I'm going to connect this line to here and connect this line to here. And then we'll draw this line down. Then I'll draw a little line down here and a little line up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes out and a line that comes out. And then we want this to look like ice, so I'm going to make some kind of like pointed little like jagged lines like this. So we're just going to put some of these different little pointed lines here. And then since we want this to look like fire, I'm going to make some kind of wavy pointed lines that come out like this. So we're just going to kind of make these wavy pointed lines all over the place. Then I'm going to connect this line and connect this line. And then we'll connect this line and this line. And there you go. There is your drawing of Articuno versus Moltres in a surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have the two legendary bird Pokemons facing off. And then when we open it, they're shooting each other with their different powers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.